In this video, I'm going to show you how you can switch to demo account on Trading 212. So this can be really useful if you want to learn trading and you don't want to risk your real money. And once you are on the trading, so currently I'm on the real account. To switch to demo, you just want to click on those three lines right here. Here, if you scroll all the way down, you will have this green button, switch to practice. So click on this. Now you will have option to choose what you want to practice. So you can either choose invest, CFD, or if you want to trade crypto, you can choose that as well. So let's say we can do CFD. I'm going to open it. Now I can click on this house to go on the home page. And you will see that you have 5,000 euros as in virtual money, which you can try and trade with. So what I can do is, for example, I can find maybe some stock indices. You have also forex. So you can just scroll right here. You can choose most traded. So we can find maybe SpaceX. I'm going to select it and you can buy or sell. So let's say we can buy. Now you can choose the value of the position. So let's say we can switch this to quantity and we can buy, let's say 10. So you will have a number of the cost. So it's around 1.1K. Here you're gonna have three options, which is for risk management. So for example, stop loss, if you set this, it means basically the trade will be closed on the price you set here. So it will prevent losing more than you actually want. So if I type here 130, you can see that we cannot lose more than 32 euros approximately. You can also choose take profit if you want. So we can keep this maybe on 139, or we can do 40 and then click on confirm buy. And now we can see we have 10 SpaceX bought. Now to see your positions, you can just click on this buy right next to the home and you can see what I have bought. If you want to switch back to real, you just want to click on this icon right here and you can see I have this real account, or you can switch to maybe crypto, a demo account. So I can go to crypto, practice with virtual money, and you can start trading crypto as well. So that's it for this video. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.